Hello everyone. In this video, we're gonna talk about how to create SQL database in GCP. So simply open your Chrome browser and search GCP. Then press enter. Go to a Google Cloud Console. So I select my mail ID. Okay. Then go to three lines navigation menu. Click on navigation menu and then scroll down and go to SQL. And then here is one button, create instance. You can click this for one or new button or create new instance. Click, and there are three parts: MySQL, PostgreSQL, and SQL Server. So today we create MySQL database. So click on choose and MySQL, and there are option: write a ID, instance ID, anything you write. So I write a test, and I generate my password. Here a new option to no password. So password was disabled. So I disable my password, and database version is three version available: 8.0, 5.7, and 5.6. So I choose a default version, that is which is MySQL 5.7, and choose region and zonal availability. So I choose the default region, and zone availability is multiple zones that which is highly available. So I select a multiple zone and specify zones, that means a primary zone which is US1, USA, USB-C, and F, and secondary zones. So I select a default zones availability and default zones features. So customize your instance, where in this step you customize your instance, and here available is summary. Here you can see all the customizable features and information about instance. So simply click on machine type and storage. Here more options available: connection, backups, maintenance, flex, labels. So clear machine type, uh, there are options: 4 vCPU, 26 GB, 8 vCPU, 52 GB. So I select 8 vCPU, 52 GB. Here you customize. Simply I write 3 vCPU, and or okay, select 8 vCPU and 4 vCPU. So here you can see the changes, and I select 8 vCPU. So here change 8 vCPU. Click on storage, and I select SSD recommended, and here SSD is faster than hard drive. So it is a good, SSD is good. So I select 100 GB, and enable automatic storage increases. That means if you need more storage, then automatically storage increases. Here a part of connection, where I select a public IP which is default, and backups. That means in this time you automatically backups available, but here I selected default. And in maintenance, that means your instance in maintain for any window options, your which day or which time your instance maintain. That means is check your instance it's maintained or not. So I select default. and there are flag option. You can add your flags, etc. And labels option, so you can add your labels. So simply I create click on, and here is a summary available which is selected for instance summary available, uh, that is memory 15 2 GB, storage 100 GB, network throughout MB 2000 of 2000, field days throughout MBs, IOPS. So simply click on create instance. It will take a few minutes to create an instance. So here CPU utilizations graph available. You can see your CPU utilizations graph, and here you connect to instance, connection name here available, and yeah, here available your instance configuration, which is a 8V CPU, 52 GB memory, SSD storage.
Yes, ma'am.
And here a maintenance available. So here a take with few times, take a few minutes, and here a available option backups. Here you can edit your backup option, database option, users connections, users option, and connections option. So here you can edit your instance. It will take a few minutes more. Just wait for a few minutes. So we refresh this page to check instance is created or not. So here simply take 2 minutes and 2 minutes. Okay, so just wait.
मोबाइल में से कर रही है।
So here instance is created. So that's it in this video. If you like this video, then please like and share and subscribe my channel.